Hello, my name is Kay. I'm a voice control clerk.
Hello, Kay.
Welcome. What's your order?
Time.
The time is 12:45 p.m.
Hello, Kay.
Welcome. What's your order?
Today's date.
Today's date is Monday, March 15, 2010.
Hello, Kay.
Welcome. What's your order?
Alarm.
The alarm setting is 7:45 a.m. The alarm sound is alarm 1.
Hello, Kay.
Welcome. What's your order?
Set alarm.
The alarm setting is 7:45 a.m. Please talk.
6:30 p.m.
The new alarm setting is 6:30 p.m.
Hello, Kay.
Welcome. What's your order?
Alarm sound.
The registered alarm sound is alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3.
Alarm 1.
The new alarm sound is alarm 1.
Hello, Kay.
Welcome. What's your order?
Alarm off.
Alarm is now off.
Hello, Kay.
Welcome. What's your order?
Help.
Here are the voice commands. Time. Today's date. Alarm. Set alarm. Alarm sound. Alarm off. Help. Reset.